Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit a checkbox border using Nitro Pro PDF Editor and set these checkboxes, and I'll edit these checkboxes border. Now select form option and select field and drag your mouse cursor and select your checkbox. Now click right button and select properties dialog box. Properties dialog box, go appearance option, and this is check mark color. You can change it if you want, and say this, and it's border color you can change, and this border thickness you can make it thick and medium and make it thin, and line style you can change it, make it dash and insert and so on. And also this one, check what color you can change. See this border color, smooth color, this one. Okay, so line style, I'll make it rebel and medium, and see this. In this way you can edit a checkbox, also you can edit check mark and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.